What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today is Monday. Feeling pretty good. Yesterday I went out to the flea market and I did a video, so if you guys can check that out, I'd really appreciate it. I actually cut the yard yesterday and I'm a little sore, but I'm feeling good. I think I need to get more exercise in my life. It helps me get out and do things. So like I said, today's Monday. We're here at Goodwill. We're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna try to hit Goodwill, and then a friend of mine told me that there's some clearance games at Walmart. So we're gonna go hit up Walmart, maybe some pawn shops. Hopefully today is a good day for thrifting and finding stuff. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. I go to the pawn shops, flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can pick up merchandise to flip and add to my collection. If that kind of content interests you, please hit that subscribe button. Comment on this video, like it, share it with your friends, family. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. And those that are subscribed, appreciate you guys so much. Let's get into today's video. All right, let's take a quick peek at the window. I haven't been here since I think Friday or Saturday. I don't remember. Oh, we'll go check it out real quick. As usual, I won't record in there, just a little bit. All right, let's pick up the shopping cart. And let's get started. Music's not blasting today, that's great. I spoke too soon. Let's head to the back over here. It's a full sofa. Cool looking. $80 for those right there. Some lights. There's been a toys. A quick glimpse of toy section. Plushies. I think I see something I want already. See how much it is. It's a little dirty. $4. I think that's a little too much for her. She's too beat up. Back she goes. It's a little dirty from here, but that I will pick up for 99 cents. Here's a Hello Kitty for $4. It's torn, so I'm gonna put her back, but pretty cool. Here's a Phillies little figure for $1.99. I'm gonna scan him and see how much he's worth. Found this Star Wars droid for $6, and this New York Yankees Simpson, I think what they're called, for 99 cents. Found a PS4 controller. The knobs are wasted away for $6. Not bad. Here at the electronics section, don't see anything I want. Maybe that's Sanyo. Go see the media. Here at the media section, there's some cool stuff. Rockman 3. Justice League. Let's see if there's anything else. Alright, here's my next stop, Walmart. It's close to my house. Just left Goodwill, picked up a few things. Stick around to the end of the video. I'll go over everything I picked up today. Let's go see what Walmart's got. Unfortunately, there was no 3DS games at this Walmart. They said they were clearanced out and pretty much done. So I'm gonna go check the other one. This is my next stop. Walmart further down. This is the one on Alton. Let's go see. I'll record the video game section, see if there's anything in there. The last Walmart there was nothing. They told me they were all on clearance and they're getting rid of everything. So let's go see if we can find it. Alright, here's the gaming section. I don't see any DS games, so they're probably all gone. Let's look around. Score. Ocarina fans, they were $9.99. Alright, here's my next stop, Walmart on Boca Chica. I picked up some Zelda ones in this last Walmart on Alton. Let's go see if there's anything here. I don't see any 3DS games. I'm gonna ask and look around. Just found these two, $9.99. see if there's anything else here. Personal fitness for women. That's $2. I'll take it. See if there's anything else we can find. Make some money on. Alright guys, so I'm back at home. I stopped at all 3 Walmarts here in Brownsville. I picked up some Zelda Ocarina of Times for $10. I got this personal fitness for the 3DS. Oh, this is for DS for $2. And some Animal Crossings for $10. Also stopped at Goodwill. Got this little Dodgers guy. Oh, that's a Yankees, I'm sorry. 99 cents. I'm gonna check this out. I need another PS4 controller, so this might be the answer. $6 for that one. Lady had this in her hand. She was looking sold comps up and left it behind. And I wasn't gonna leave it behind. That one was let's see. He was $1.99. Got this Ghostbusters Domo. Needs to be cleaned up here, but this one was 99 cents. And I think the best pickup today is this Rock Band 3 for $1.99. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'll be making some more tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you tomorrow.